Hey everybody, it's the NE9%, and I'm not a speedrunner, by the way. Okay, today we're going to be doing a different video. I'm going to be going to Nintendo New York to go camp for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. I want to document this experience with you guys, so we're going to record my journey there, and you guys will see what it takes to camp out for several hours in the cold weather in New York City. So, let's start this adventure right now. Okay, so we're at the apartment in New York City. So now it's time to go to the line for Smash Ultimate. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we're in line. This is my friend Gene.
Hi.
We've probably been here for about 25 minutes and this is really amazing. I've already met a few YouTubers and I didn't ask to record, but I got pictures with them.
He's a very big fanboy, okay?
Yes.
Just know that.
Yes. So it's worth it.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah. I can't wait.
I'm really cold, but then again, you're in New York City, so what do you expect?
Yes.
I'm wearing mittens.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, well, we'll update you guys if anything happens. Well, of course we're going to update you. Probably an hourly update. That's probably what I'm going to do. Okay.
Right here. If it breaks the system.
Yo, what does that shit taste like? No,
I'm sorry for this game.
yo, you think that early.
I'm from Georgia.
From Georgia?
Do you have a YouTube channel? Yes, yes I do. It's the any and every percent. I would show you it after.
I'm the list.
I subscribe to you. We do after recording. Yeah.
Wait a second. I don't have like keys or something.
Keys? Here, pencil.
Oh
yeah,
shit,
go.
thanks, man.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god. No!
Oh god.
Guys, he has Smash! He has Smash! Yeah! Oh my god! The power, I want to feel it! No! I didn't film the fourth thing though. No.
Oh god.
Hey, whoa. Oh, you gotta relax. There's some power you got there.
Oh, yes.
I waited too long. You gotta chill. No. I waited too long. If you do.
Yeah.
Don't do it. No. Don't
Excited, Gene? Yeah. Yeah, I know. I told you. It's worth it.
I did. Listen, buddy. Buddy, old pal. We're gonna have to fight.
Look, who you made? Honk if you're horny!
Fuck! My Joy-Con isn't even registered. It's legit. Yo, no way.
No way.
There it is.
Come on, play the game.
Can I fight?
Do
it. Oh! Wait, you gotta start software, dude.
Yeah.
Software.
Come on, let's
Dude, have you guys seen the intro? Any of you guys have seen it?
I've never seen it. No.
I've seen it.
Oh my god.
I have like a dirty screen. Alright, come on.
Oh, dude, let's go. Oh my god.
Sakurai, thank you! Thank Kami! Kami-sama! Sakurai, daddy.
Sands for Smash!
Sands for Smash! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da!
No, I want.
Yes,
Yo,
Dude, put the vocals. Yo!
Be quiet.
Dude, you dropped the song again?
Oh boy.
Boomy! Yes! Yeah!
Start off intro.
Because I already have it installed and everything.
Snake.
guys, we moved up in the line, so we're about to go to Nintendo. So we're gonna see what they're doing. They're actually gonna interview me. I got a gold wristband, and I'm gonna just move this up here. So I actually got a gold wristband, and Nintendo's gonna be.
Maybe from Nintendo channel. They did it! Oh my fucking god! No!
Okay. Somebody looking on the TV, something on the left. Oh no! What happened?
I have no idea what's happening.
Shy guy is in Smash! What's going on? What's going on? What are we shouting? What's going on?
Let's go. Wonder what's going on.
What's going on? I hear shouting.
How long you been out here for? 10 hours? 12 hours?
Been out here since 11. I'm from Georgia.
12 hours, I think.
So what just happened though? Why is everybody so excited?
What's the game? Wait. What?
Oh my god, hold the fuck on. No fucking way! Oh my
What?
god! Oh my god! What? You make sorry. Trump got reelected. Holy shit!
What happened? The character get revealed?
What's going on?
I don't know. I'm just reporting.
What?
Wait, what is that? Hey, what's that?
Somebody from Persona is in Smash.
Oh, wait, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
What?
Yeah. Persona.
Yes! Oh my fucking god!
What? They broke what?
It's over. It's done. Joker from Persona 5 just got announced in Smash. And
What?
That's my favorite game of all time.
Wait, Persona guy in Smash?
11 more minutes.
You literally got like everything you wanted out of the game.
By that, it's basically both of us.
Come on, man.
Vlogception. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm going
That's what I'm excited, guys. Nintendo asked me that. Do an interview. Well.
I hear lots of cheering. I'm so pumped.
I really